Okay, we got a nice 74-degree day here in Tucson. So I took the opportunity to hook up our planned Macgregor electric and water systems. Let's see if I can flip this around. So this is the eco-worthy 130 watt 12 volt flexible solar panel with a little black and red extensions that would run down into the cabin. And this is the little controller for charging the lithium ion. Whoa. You can see there's no load connected to it because I haven't grabbed some cables for the load wires. But it's all charged up to 13.9 volts on the controller. Only putting 1 amp out of the 0.1 amps out of the panel while it's all charged up. No load. So the battery cables that came in the kit are hooked up to an eco-worthy 12 volt 20 amp battery, which is fully charged right now. And right next to it, because I don't have my load cables, I've got a duplicate which they'll be wired in parallel, so I'll have 40 amps, which then is connected to this EcoFlow water pressure pump. And I've got a standard Macgregor 5-gallon water bag with a non-barb tube connector on the edge that feeds around to the inlet of the pump, goes through that little strainer there, feeds the pump, then the output of the pump, it's got a 90 on it, and comes up here to this EccoTemp hot water heater. That's the inlet tube, then the outlet tube just is connected to the shower. Set on max pressure right now, minimum temperature. Then the gas connection is connected via this metal line, which would go in front of the cockpit to this 20-pounder. It's got a splitter on it, one for the stove, one for the shower. And with the power off, you can just have hot or cold water shower pressure. And then when you flip the power switch on and turn on the water pressure, you can hear the flame come on the front panel. It's got a temperature setting. You can turn down the water pressure. 97, 98. Can't really read it on the phone, but feel the water pressure. It's up to 109 degrees already. So it gets you hot water real quick. And that's our little propane and solar 12 volt shower system. And it eats water fast. And the second propane system is now hooked up, which will be the galley stove. You can see this 2-burner Horinar Amazon stove. And we'll be swapping one of those connections for a propane heater, because when we're up at the boat in about a week, it's going to be very chilly up in Lake Powell.